Hello guys, welcome my another video. Today I am going to share how to create Ajax a return zone data example. That is very interesting table. Firstly, I am going to share for making this table all kinds of source code. You can download 100% free from my website. Website link, just see my video description. Now tell about this table. What is the benefit? You see there is the select option. There is student. If you click here, then see there are many kinds of student information in here. Just click any name, then press search option, then see all information in this student, like student name, student address, student gender, class, also age. You can edit in here, or you can delete from here any student name or add any kinds of student name easily, no problem. How I'll share, no problem. Also you can edit this name, like student, no, you like to change your customer name, customer address, no problem, you can change it. Okay, also you can change this title. If you like to change this title, I will share this, no problem, after a few times. So no more talk, let's go. Now we'll make this table. Everybody know, if you like to make this table, must be you have to go your PC C drive, then jam, then htdocs, then create table. Now I am creating table 7. Okay, just click here, then you see fees index, and that is the database. Okay, now open 3 codes. Just wait a few seconds, guys. Already open. Firstly, that is the fees, then index, then database. Okay, first things, database is a main fact, because must be you have to change your database name. Okay, must be you have to change your database name or database folder name. Now see, what is the folder name in this database folder name is code underscore demo, and also must be you have to change the table name. Now see, what is the table name? You see table 20 tables only 7, table 7. There are a lot of places in table 7. 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 places in table 7. Must be you have to change all kinds of places. Okay, how? Now I'm going to share. Now I am just go my PHP my admin places. Okay, just wait, there is loading, guys. You see code hunter underscore demo, that is the folder name. Okay, and now click here, then see table 7. Okay, that is the table 7, and now click here. Then see the all kinds of name, all kinds of student information here. That information is showing my table. Okay, that is all kinds of student showing in my table. That's very interesting matter. So if you like to add another student name, self press copy, then change your student name, then change your student address, then mail, then mail, and student class name, also age, then press go. Okay, that's it, it will be changed. Another things, if you like to change your title in here, table title, must be you go index. Okay, index is main fact, then that's one, that is the table title name. Like how to create Ajax return zone data example, that is the table title name or not. Okay, how to create Ajax return zone data example. Okay, what is our table title name, how to create Ajax return zone data example. Self we like to change self create Ajax return zone data example. Okay, how to, I like to delete. Okay, just go your index, then that's one. How to press delete, then press file, then press save. Done. Now you see your table already how to is here, because we didn't press reload option. already press the delete option, then see create how to already has gone. So guys, that's the main fact. So if you have any question about this table, you can comment in my comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also, if you like this types of video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.